Hello friends, good morning all of you. Let's start for today. So in yesterday's session, what we people have done, we people started with verbal ability exercise. There we people have discussed some questions. And also I have told you to just be ready for some activities which we people can think of if we are performing them for oral communication. So that we people can just do in today's session. So let me know if anyone is here that can just go ahead with some activities. Presentation can be informative topics, can be dialogues, it can be anything that you people have to be just think of. In every session I have been telling this, so I expect that you people should come prepared. And additionally I would like to tell, I can see here very few people are right now. So again, where are remaining students? So have you finished your earlier lecture? Or it is still going on?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's continue then. If no one is there, I'll share the screen. All of you just ensure that you're able to see the screen. So this is the question last we people have done, that we people have finished, completed. If you remember. Okay. So just give me few seconds. So all right, I hope that now everything is fine for you. Just check that this question is visible to you. And next slide, are you able to see next slide? Question number 31.
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, fine, fine. So I have to share the screen once again, it means. Okay, so all of you just be ready for next question. Question number 31 is in front of you. And this question says that oceans and deserts, you people just try to find out what relationship you people can identify in this pair. And accordingly, you just try to tell me what you will choose for waves. Okay. So out of options given here, sea, dust, sand dunes, ripples. Okay, you can use both ways. You can unmute and speak, or you can use chat box. From chat box, I can see Sanyush answered that question. Okay. Others also try to answer. How you're going to come to the answer like this? In oceans, there are waves. So in deserts, there are sand dunes. Sanyush explained also. He has given explanation also. Okay. Yes, Mayuri also answered that sand dunes. I think that you people might have studied it in your geography class of maybe 8th standard or maybe 7th standard somewhere, that in deserts you people can find sand dunes. So there in ocean we people find waves. So in desert you people will find sand dunes. So therefore option C is answer for this question. Yes, Sakshi, that's right. Then let's go to the next question. Number 32 is in front of you. This question says pork, pig. So beef, what? Farmer, herd, cow, lamb. Answer quickly. Everybody try to answer here. I can see almost 35 students connected. So out of that, only 5 to 10 students are active. So others. So Pragati answered it. Then Sanyush also answered it. So answer cow. Many people are thinking of cow. Why it is cow? Because we'll just try to explain it like this. So meat of pig is called what? That's pork. Okay. Similarly, meat of cow is called beef. Okay. So therefore option, yes, exactly. So Sayush is explaining with answer with explanation also. Pork is pig meat, beef is cow meat. That's right, Sayush. So everyone, Ankita, then Pranali, Sakshi, Mayuri, everyone right, Pragati. Yes, Sakshi, that's right. Then let's go to the next question, number 33. We'll try to cover maximum. We'll try to cover this whole exercise today. So all of you just be quick for next question. So next question is here. It says illiteracy is related with education. In the same way, flood will be related with what? Rain, bridge, dam, or river. So here, if there is education, you people can try to understand like this. If there is education, then there will be no illiteracy. Okay. If there is education, then there is no illiteracy. Okay. Similar relationship. If there is what, then there will be no flood. Out of that, what will choose? So there will be no flood. So here getting different options. Someone saying dam, someone saying rain, someone saying river. Okay. So let's try to understand in this way. If there is education, then there is no illiteracy. If there is what, then there will be no flood. If there is rain, there will be flood. So it may result, rain may result. So you can't choose rain, okay? You can't choose rain. Bridge has no relevance here, so you can't go for option B. So out of C and D, if there is a river, then there is no flood. Does it sound good? If there is a river, then there is no flood. It does not sound good. If we try to ask like this, if there is a dam, in that case, there is no flood. Okay. Or up to certain extent, dam will help to control the flood. So therefore, you people can go for option C, that is dam. If there is dam, there is no flood. We can take like this. So option C is going to be answer for this question. So all of you people are right. Those who are thinking of option C, and those who thought of rain or river, you can correct yourself that we can identify from the first pair like illiteracy and education. So with this note, we will go to the next question. Next question number 34 will be in front of you, and this question says dungeon for confinement. Okay, so similarly, asylum for what? Refuge, mercy, trancy, remorse. Let's try to understand what is dungeon. Dungeon is a kind of, let's say, prison or cell. Usually it is underground, and it is for what? It is for the prisoners, confinement, to keep people in the prison, into the jail. Like this we can understand. Okay, so asylum is also a place. This place is for what? This place is also for following options we people have to choose. So I got answer from Sayush. They are saying it's a refuge. Okay, so refuge, who are refuge? Refuge are the people who do not have their own home, who do not have their own land, who are not from that particular country. So these people are called refuge. Okay, so asylum is a place for such people who are from other country, who are from other nation, who are not having their own home. Okay, so that is refuge. Or another meaning is also there of asylum, that means literally madhouse. Those people who are mentally not well, such people are kept in asylum also. But here that refugee are kept in asylum. So therefore option A is answer here. So I can tell you Sakshi, Pragati, Ankita, Sayush, they have answered this question. All right, so let's check that it's refuge. With this, let's go to the next question, number 35. And 35 says appraiser is related with building. So critic is related with what? Is it with book? Is it with masterpiece? Judge? Gold? What is it? This time I want explanation also. Who is this appraiser and how he is related with this building, and who is critic and how he will be dealing with one of the options, whether it will be book or masterpiece or judge or gold. Try to tell me. So first of all, talk about first pair, appraiser and building. So who is appraiser? Who is appraiser and how he's related with building? Being students of civil engineering, you people can just try to find it out and tell me who is appraiser and how he is associated with building. Appraiser comments on building. Okay, yes, that's right, Sanyush. Comments in the sense he has the right to talk about the value. He can determine the value, price, or something like this, or he can just say what kind of quality or what kind of building that particular it is. So therefore, he can point it out. He can say what flaws are there, what defects are there, whether it is right, whether it is wrong, like this. So similar is here critic. Who is critic? Critic is a person who criticizes. So criticizes means what? So same right he has about book. When a book is published and then if the book is read by the critic, then what is the work of that critic? He will just try to find out that number of drawbacks or defects or problems or weak points of the book. Also, he will point out strong points also. It is not only that drawbacks he points out, but he can point out strengths also. A kind of evaluation critic does, and it is about book. Okay, so not for masterpiece. Judge no, gold no. So therefore option A all you people are choosing, and that's right, and even you people are explaining it also. Sakshi and Sanyosh, you are giving me right explanation also. Okay, so with this you people can go to the next question number 36. Yes, Ankita, any
सर काही
question?
पण झालं.
All right, so then pay attention to the next question number 36 is in front of you. This question says cub is of lion, so colt is of what? Dog, stag, leopard, stallion. So what is cub? Cub is young one of lion. Baby of lion we call cub. So colt is baby of what? Okay. So here we are getting answer from Suraj and Pranali and Sainosh. All right, try to understand that we all know about doe or stag or leopard. Even leopard also will not be there, but stallion is a kind of, let's say, horse. Okay, and its baby is called colt. Yes, first is a young one of the second. So cub is young one of lion, colt is young one of stallion. So therefore option D is answer. So everyone, those who replied with option D, that's correct. Stallion is answer here. Okay, then let's go to the next question. Number 37 is with you. It says drill is associated with bore. So sieve will be related with what? Thresh, sift, pry, rinse. So drill is an activity which is done with the help of bore. We people know that bore well, boring machine. Okay, so that is the work or that is the action here, that is drilling. So here we people are with this kind of action, that is sieve, and it is done with what? Sayush answered me, Suraj answered me, Pragati also answered, but let's see Pragati, what we people can choose as the right answer. At the end, we'll declare it. So it is sieving. I think that in your civil engineering, it will come sieving or what is required for sieve that you people are going to use, maybe into Yes, Mayuri, Pranali, they are all answering, and that's right. So all of you just try to ensure that it is SIFT. Okay, SIFT will be the instrument or the thing used for sieving. So try to find out if you don't know meaning of sieve or if you don't know what is SIFT, then search it and get it to know. Okay. So thresh means I think that threshing machine is there, which is used for if you have some crop to do. It can be maize or jowar, or it can be any other. So that is threshing. Okay, that machine is different. Pry means again just making something separate. Rinse means to clean something like this. Okay, so just 1 minute. Just hold on. Okay, so just you people hold on for 5 minutes. I will be back. There is some urgent work that I have to do. So you just stay connected 5 minutes. I'll be back within 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. I hope that all of you people are listening me. Are you here? Are you listening me? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. Thank you. So here, yes, Sanyush thresh is grain separating machine. Yes, that is, I think that we use it in our day-to-day life also. We people see number of times, or we people have used it also. So for this question, sieve is associated with SIFT. So option B is answer here. Then next is question number 38 that says fruit is banana or banana is fruit. You can read like this. So you people have to choose what is mammal. Okay, what is mammal? Cow, snake, fish, sparrow. What kind of category or which animal is under mammal? So yes, Mayuri, Suraj, Yash also answered here, and Sakshi also answered here. So let's try to be sure with this. Okay, okay, Pranali also, and everyone see option A. Cow is animal, which is mammal. We are also mammal. Human beings are also mammal. Okay. So snake will not be here. Snake is kind of I think that those animals. Serpent, we can call it serpent. Sparrow is again bird. Fish, which is living in water, so its category is different. Yes, Sanyush, that's reptile. Snake is reptile. Sparrow is bird. So what is fish? Can you point it out? What is fish? I don't know what fish will come under which class or category. For this, cow is mammal, but let's see, because if you could just come out with what fish will come under which category, you just try to find it out. Let it be. If you don't know, leave it. So for this right now, it's cow. Then yes, aquatic. All right, fish will come under aquatic. Those who are living in water, that's called aquatic. It's all right, Ankita. Next, pay attention to the next. Okay. This is tile mosaic. So not what? Embroidery, abacus, macrame, easel. That you people have to choose and also try to understand. We'll talk about what tile is, what mosaic is, macrame is, or abacus, embroidery, everything. Yes, answer came here from Pragati Sanyosh with explanation. Suraj also answered. Okay. In case of Il-Kampno embroidery, we people have seen number of times when we people go to choose clothes. So embroidery is related with clothes. So nobody will choose option A. Try to understand. Embroidery is associated with cloth. Okay. So if you are seeing the pieces of tile, and with that you can make a showpiece or a design or a structure that looks beautiful, or a pattern that you people can call. Okay. And if you are have seen knots like this, there is a kind of design you are making it. So many of the times it is like this, and you are weaving, a kind of weaving is with knot, you are making some different designs. So that is macrame. Yes, that's actually explained it. I hope that many of the girl students may know about, with the knot they can make different things. Okay. With wool or maybe with nylon thread, you people can do number of different kind of weavings that can be macrame. Okay. So option C is answer here. All of you just try to understand. The next question 40 is in front of you. This is import export is associated with what? Similar relationship, you just try to find it out from expenditure. And what is this? Deficit, revenue, debt, or tax? So what is related with expenditure? So if you think in first pair, import and export, what kind of words are there? Import, export. Yes, they are antonyms, opposite meaning words, import and export. So we people have to choose opposite meaning of expenditure. Okay. So here I'm getting answer from Mayuri, Sakshi, Suraj, Sanyush, Ankita, everyone. They are having their own options, but let's try to understand. Okay. So in case of this, we'll try to understand what is expenditure. So expenditure, let's try to understand. So here is the or this is money or amount that you people have. So expenditure will be what? There is outflow of cash. Outflow means that money is going away from you. Okay. So now we want to opposite word. What should be opposite of this? Now money should be flow in inward direction. So for that, we people have to choose the option which is given here. So first of all, we try to talk about option A is deficit. So what is deficit here? Deficit means a kind of gap you can try to understand. Let's see with one example. Suppose that you have your income is 100 rupees. Okay, and you're spending 110 rupees. Okay, so you're spending 110 rupees, so there is gap of 10 rupees. So what is here? 10 rupees is called deficit. Okay, so deficit is not correct option here. So revenue, what is revenue? Revenue is a kind of collection of taxes, not taxes. In fact, revenue is a kind of collection of profit that you're getting it. Okay, so that is a flow inward. So cash is coming towards you. So therefore, option B is correct answer here. So in expenditure, money is going away. Revenue, money is getting collected. Okay, so debt is somewhat that amount you people have to pay. Again, it will be flow in outward direction. Tax, again you are paying, so money is going away from you. So therefore, no debt, no tax, but it is revenue. Okay, so option B is answer here for this question. All right, so just again 1 minute, wait. All right, so let's move towards the next question. Number 41 says hill is with mountain, so stream is with what? So river, canal, glacier, avalanche. Sayush answered it, others just try to answer immediately. Quickly, we people will go for explanation. So first pair, we people will just try to understand that hill and mountain. All people know that hill is a small form. Suppose this is hill. In that case, your people will come to know this is mountain. So one is a small form and this one is big form. Okay. So now stream is what? That is the flow of water that you people can consider. So stream is a small body of flowing water. So this is small. Now we want to big body of water which is flowing. So out of these, you people can think of remaining options. River, so river becomes stream, becomes river later on. Okay, so therefore option A is answer. Canal, can you choose canal? Canal cannot, because these are artificial, and maybe canals are of the same size everywhere usually, so no canal. Glacier is of what? That is of ice. Okay, so you people cannot go for glacier. What is avalanche? Avalanche is also a big mass of ice. In fact, you can call it sliding of ice in mountainous region. So even that is not it. Okay, snow, ice, and rock, that becomes avalanche. Okay, all right, that's nice. So not avalanche is also option. So what is answer here? Correct answer is option A. So everybody answered it right. So with this, we will go to the next question, number 42. Be wise here and try to answer me. Country has president. So for state, what will people have? Is it governor, minister, chief minister, or citizen? Quickly. So Suraj answered me first of all. Then Pragati answered. Rishma, Mayuri. See, I'm getting different responses also. Some are with option C and some are with option A. So are you sure with the answer? Those who are talking about governor, are you sure about this answer is option A, or whether it is chief minister? Okay. Okay, so option A is answer here. Governor is the answer, because see, the country who is the chief of a nation, most powerful, or we can call chief of the nation, that is president. Okay, so similarly for a state, who is the chief of the state, it is governor. Okay, so if you consider constitutional rights are with governor, so though the people or chief minister is working as per his body of ministers, but the all the work is done on the name of governor. Same case with president also. So prime minister is just working with his ministers, but he's working on the name of president. So president is the chief of the nation, governor is the chief of a state. Okay, so now tell me, who is the governor of Maharashtra? A kind of general knowledge will check here. Who is the governor of Maharashtra?
Bhagat Koshari.
Okay, Bhagat Singh Koshari is the governor. Yes, and who is the chief minister of our state?
Uddhav Thackeray.
Uddhav Thackeray.
Uddhav Thackeray. Yes, exactly. And now tell me, who is the president of our India?
Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind.
Ramnath Kovind. Then prime minister?
Narendra Modi.
Yes, all right, all right. So all you people are doing it nice, perfectly. You answered all these questions. So with this, we'll just try to go to the next question, number 43. And here we people will talk about braid. Okay, so braid is made up by the you can call it organisms. Okay, yeast. So for curd, what you people will choose? Is it fungi, bacteria, germs, or virus? So Suraj, Pragati, they answered this question right now, but let's try to see. Okay, all right. So all people are right here. That is Ankita will just try to choose the answer. That is option B, bacteria. Okay. So these are in fact good bacteria which convert milk into curd. Okay. So therefore option B is answer. Fungi can be harmful, germs are harmful, virus is also harmful, but bacteria will be helpful to convert milk into curd. Similarly, yeast helps us to get a bread. Okay, so option B is answer here. Next, a simple question for all of you. Court is related with justice. So school is related with what? Is it with teacher, student, ignorance, or education? So Sanyush and Sakshi answered it quickly, others just take note of it. Mayuri answered. Chaitanya also answered. Suraj also answered. Reshma answered. Ankita answered. Pragati also answered. Okay, Pranali also answered, and that's simple. That's education. If you go into the court, what will get? You'll get justice. Okay, or for justice, we people go into the court. For education, we people will go where? We'll go to school. So therefore, option D is answer for this question. Teacher is related with school, but not in the same way court and justice are related. Or student is also related with school, but not in the same way. Or ignorance is not having any relationship, so you can't go for option C here. So option D is the right answer. Next question for you people. Quartz is made up of radio. So gypsum is made up of what? Whether it is from glass, porcelain, cement, or powder. Okay, Sanyosh, Suraj, Pranali, they have answered it. Okay, Pragati, Ankita, they all have answered it. Let's try to understand Ankita. Which option we people can choose? So here maximum students go with option C, cement. So just ensure whether gypsum is made up of cement or cement is made up of gypsum. I think the gypsum is made up of cement. Is it right? Or it is not like this? Okay, all right. Gypsum is made, first is used to make the second. So cotton is used to make radio, or gypsum is made up to make cement. Is it like this, Sakshi? Okay, all right. You just check it more. It is what? Cement is answer here. Okay, option C, cement is answer here. Then next question number 46 is there. Chromite is related with chromium. So ilmenite is related with what? Limestone, cobalt, manganese, or titanium. Okay, so Pragati answered this. So others just try to express your answer, whether it is A, B, C, D. So chromite and chromium, you'll come to know that from chromite we obtain chromium. Okay. So from ilmenite, what we people are going to obtain? Only people are right, that's titanium. Option D is going to be the answer here. Sakshi, Pranali, and everyone, those who answered, Pragati and everyone. So those who thought of option D, that's answer here. Option D. Next, question number 47 is here. This question says command and order. So confusion and what? The discipline, clarity, chaos, problem. So command and orders. Try to understand, Sayush. What kind of relationship is here? They are same meaning words. So command means order. So for confusion, we people want to get the similar meaning word. Okay. So out of discipline and confusion, no. Clarity and confusion, no. So out of this option C and D, you people have to think. So problem and confusion, there are two different things. Okay, we want similar meaning. So here, if you think of option C, chaos means confusion. Okay, so therefore option C we people will choose here as an answer. So those who went with option D, you can correct yourself with option C, that chaos that you people have to choose here, that can be the similar for confusion. So what is chaos? Chaos is something that not in proper maybe order, or maybe uh, not knowing what to, similar to confusion. Like this, you just try to understand. So option C, right answer. Then next question number 48 that you people will choose here. This is ruby is red. Okay, so sapphire is of which color? Okay, so blue, white, green, or silver? Mayuri answered it. Pragati, Sayush, they have also answered. Ankita also answered. Reshma also answered. So let's try to understand. Yes, Sakshi also. So what is ruby? They are valuable stones, precious stones. Okay. Where we use these stones? Ruby, sapphire. People use these stones in rings. Usually in rings, there are other uses also, but you'll find them in rings. Okay, so ruby is of red color, so sapphire is of blue color. There are other stones also which are maybe green. There are maybe some other colors also, that these are those people who are usually astrologers, they may suggest you, advise you to just use ruby with some particular your future. They will just try to connect it with such kind of stones, and so you may just wear such kind of rings with ruby, sapphire, and other valuable stones. Okay, so option A is answer here. Now next question number 49 is your house garbage. So or what? Is it rubbish, gangi, sand, or dregs? Okay, Suraj, Pragati, Mayuri, they have answered it. So we'll come to know from house whatever is the useless or remaining or not useful, that is garbage. Similar to rubbish. Rubbish and garbage are same, so people can't go for option A. Okay, option A can't be answer. So ore is a kind of again mineral that people extract from ore. So after extracting all minerals, you'll know whatever the leftover is there, remaining part is there, that's called gangue. So therefore option B is answer here. Option B is answer here. Okay, sand, we all people know that sand is useful. Dregs is of chemicals. If something is in liquid or if it is chemical and something is left at the bottom of the maybe that chemical bottle or something, that is called dregs. But here we are talking about ore, so for ore it will be option B, gangue. All right, so with this we'll just go for the last question for today. That will be question number 15 is in front of you. That says Hong Kong is related with China, so Vatican will be related with what? Rome, Mexico, Canada, or Christianity? Okay, so Pragati, Sanyush, they answered it. Suraj, Ankita, Mayuri, they also answered it. So see, Hong Kong, what is Hong Kong? Hong Kong is name of city. Where is this Hong Kong? Hong Kong is in China. So Vatican is also a city. Where is this city? City is in Rome. So therefore, option A is answer for this question. So all people, Pranali, Sakshi, and everyone, those who answered option A, Rome, they all are right. And with this question, we wanted to take pause here. So if you have any additional questions, suggestions, or if anybody wants to speak, just try to express your thoughts, maybe give presentation on one topic, or just try to do different activities. So let me know if anybody is interested in this. Meanwhile, we will go for attendance. So let's see roll number 2. So I think that's roll number 2 absent. Then roll number 4, 5, 6, 10, roll number 12, 14, 18, roll number 20, 21, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 31, 37, 39, 40, ऑफिस इधर फी वगैरह भरली तिकडे. Okay, so pay attention after 40, 43, 44, 45, 51, 55, 57, 58, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 76, 77, 78. These all are absent numbers, okay? Whatever I just announced, all they are absent. Okay, so with this note, we would like to close here, but I think that you people are just getting related with this only. Maybe we'll just try to cover this exercise only. After that, we will go for other kind of learning. So all you people just be ready here. So with this note, I'll stop sharing the screen. Should I end this meeting for all? Should we stop here? Should I end this meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.